This morning we're going to take a break today from actually pouring concrete, and we're going to take off our end board that we use to butt up for our sections and do a little bit of repair on that. It's taken a little bit of beating over the last few pours, so we're going to fix it, strengthen it, and then we'll be moving it over to the next section, and tomorrow we'll pour again.
What I'm going to do is unscrew the jet stakes from the board. Okay, so we found that basically the easiest way to pull these jet stakes up, just take a simple, I don't know what size nail this is.
It's a 3-penny nail, right?
3-penny nail. Costs more than 3 cents today, that's for sure. And just put it through the top hole, and then you can just twist it around and it pulls right up. Ta-da!
Wait, do that again. Wait, I can't see your face anymore. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on! Go.
Ta-da!
That's not the same! Do it the same.
It's not my fault that you're not in the right position when I am so brilliant on film.
Do it again.
Ta-da! Moving on.
You're so strong, Mr. Strong.
Does it look impressive?
It does look
that's it.
impressive.
That's all. It's not that hard. They kind of basically pull right out. All right.
And cut. You were brilliant, my darling.
Of course. I am the talent.
You are the talent.
Okay, I got the jet stakes out. Now I'm gonna take off, undo the ends, and pull the
Try again.
I'm so happy I'm dancing. Okay, we've undone the jet stakes, pulled them up. Now we're gonna undo the screws from the ends, and then that's it. And then we can just pop the board up, fix it, and get on to the next section.
Well, let's get on to it. Your lollygagging around is just making me a little bit cranky.
Uh-oh. I had it on safety.
No. Go.
Hi. Welcome to Strong's Little Farmhouse. Where we can really screw things up.
I'm keeping that.
Okay. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
How do you like your new impact driver?
I like it. Look at that. It's got 3 lights. I could go driving at night if I wanted to.
You could screw at night too if you wanted.
Isn't that when it usually happens?
Okay, ready? Ready. I am so glad that we are not pouring concrete today, even though the temperature is definitely lower. The sun is out directly. There's just a few fluffy clouds in the sky, but wow, it's humid. We've only done maybe 10 minutes worth of work this morning. We're totally glistening with sweat. We're drenched actually. We're not just glistening, we're drenched. So we actually brought the fans down so we can work on this stupid board and get it put in place. And then we're gonna call it good. Oh, I hope it's not this humid tomorrow, because that's gonna be painful. What's another word for painful? That's gonna be excruciating. Screw that in right now.
All right, run it in.
So our frame is moved and we're ready to go. It was nice to have a little break and have a little fun. We hope you had fun too, and we hope you'll join us again as we finish up our concrete pad for our barn. It's a big project for two old fat people, but we can do it, and you can too. Just take it one step at a time, right here at Strong's Little Farmhouse. Never underestimate a girl with a tape measure and a 4-foot level.